investing, and this is a quick gas station update. Again, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing gas station update. We're filling up the old truck as we're headed back to the Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. And you can see, if we look at real quick, we'll do ADS. You can see after we crossed this green ring, we got above the 200-day, and then we started trading down, right? And what looks like it's happening here is we're probably gonna, in a local time frame, the hour time frame, but if we isolate a little closer, we're sitting just above the 200-day and the 15-minute time frame. And if you're looking for this to get bullish, you need to bounce on the 200-day, which coincides with the top part of this orange support zone. And we know the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house. And this is where you would need to bounce. The 200-day in green is uptrending, is going to be right on this orange top of this orange support zone. And you need to hold that, and that's how you can kick up, right? If you get below this and slip below that and then start using that as resistance, you're going to trade down, right? So this is a critical area right now at the, put a little price note here, right at the 23-cent level. It coincides with the 200-day in green and the top part of that orange support zone. And that's a major area of support right now, because if you broke that, you would start to trade back down towards the other underneath green ring in the blue horizontal 20-cent, 19.69 cent area, right? So that's what we're looking at there. And then if we look at SOLO, you can see this looks like we may be forming a double top. But if we go to the hour time frame, if you come down to any of these moving averages and hold it, you could try to bounce up for an absolute double top here, which this seems to be a major area of upper resistance. It's been this green ring. You can see last time, a few weeks ago, at the beginning of the month, we hit it to a perfect wick. And we said this green ring, the 2.618 Fibonacci was major upper resistance, and now we're trying to do a double top, and it's starting to look like it as the volume's depressing. The price is up and sideways consolidating. That can be bearish, so we're going to watch out to be topped out there. And then a quick XRP. You can see we're underneath now, critical. We're underneath this uptrending support. We dip below it. We're getting rejected right now, and if you want to get bullish again, and you got to get above this 200-day, which coincides again on this underneath upper resistance now briefly, as we're underneath the uptrending symmetrical triangle. So if you want to get bullish on XRP and try to make another run up here at upper resistance at 87.7 cents now, after you got rejected up there, you got to get back on top. Then you got to hold that support to try to trade up, right? So that's what we're looking at there. And a quick swing at Bitcoin. You can see we're trading back up now in what could be a bearish pump, where we come up from a local low, and then we come up into the 200-day and get rejected. And then we take our next leg down, which you could say would be just a mini leg down, right? You could say we're just going to continue to leg down, and that would get us closer to 40,626. So we're going to keep an eye on all of this. If you want to get bullish in Bitcoin, you got to get back over this blue ring, which is an uptrending resistance line now at $46,605. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love to my beautiful audience.